Bali was insane. I got to see some absolutely phenomenal looking beaches. The sunrises were gorgeous. Diving with the manta rays blew my mind. Dangled off the edge of a cliff as usual. Walked down some janky stairways. Saw some phenomenal sunsets. Drank more tea than I knew existed. Made friends with dogs on the beach. And even had a fight with Nemo's dad. Bali is one of the nicest places I have ever been to. I stayed on an incredible island called Nusa Pedina and took out a day trip to Nusa Pedina. I can't really express how beautiful that place is, especially compared to mainland Bali. Like, I stayed in Ubud and that was amazing. It was a totally different experience from Thailand, but words don't. I just do a thing. I'll just show you. If you like this video and you want to see some more, click the subscribe button, click the like button, do all of those things. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Blech. I need to do like an outtake where I like do the Peter McKinnon, get a hat and go whoosh. Nah.